All right, folks, welcome back to the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. It's great to have you here. And I'd like you to do me a favor and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that are coming your way. So let's dive in. This time around, we're going to create some urgency, and there's 5 ways to do it, at least 5 of the most popular ways. All right. Number 1, there's the limited time offer. Offer ends in 24 hours. Don't miss out on this discount. Limited quantities. So if there's only a few amount of spots left, you're going to want to create urgency with that. Then there's the flash sale. Like if you have a sale only going on one day, today only, all right? And there's an event sale like Black Friday or the 4th of July or any other type of holiday or special event that you want to run a sale for just for that 24-hour period. And then finally, there's bonuses. You can have them get some special bonus only in a certain amount of time, but they have to take action to get it. So those are the 5. And we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us with this first one, a limited time offer. So here's what we're going to do. Let's bounce into ChatGPT and paste that in, and then just say, give me 10 alternatives to this line. And then we'll see what it does. Okay. And basically what we're going to do is use these alternatives as other ways, and we're going to pick and choose the one that it gives us for creating urgency. All right. And this can be any product. I mean, this could be something you're doing with a webinar or with an offer you're doing, like a course, if you're selling a course on a sales page, whatever it is. All right. So let's do this one. I like this one. This is not a drill. All right. So we're going to go back to the Google Doc now and reword this. Okay. So let's do that. Let's go down here and paste it in. So what the AI Copy Lab is all about is revising what ChatGPT gives us, okay? But I love this is not a drill. This is great. How about instead of your opportunity, because opportunity sometimes can draw the spam filters, all right? So let's change that to must, all right? You must claim this exclusive discount before it expires in 24 hours, okay? And I got a little typo there, so let's fix that. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Really, it's just a question of fixing it up just a little bit to humanize it, all right? But it didn't lose any of the intensity. We still have urgency there. But the important thing is to take what it gives you. And you can actually do this for any of these. Ask ChatGPT to give you 10 alternatives. And there's other ones. You know, you might like this one. Snap up this deal while you can. You have 24 hours left. Time is of the essence. That's a great line. Okay. 24 hours is all that stands between you and this exclusive discount. Act fast. So basically, ChatGPT is giving you a lot of urgency ideas here. And all we had to do was give it this one very basic urgency message up top there. All right. So that's it. That's creating urgency. Like I said on this document, you have a number of ways you can do it. And if you use ChatGPT as your creative guide, you don't have to cut and paste, just reword it just a little bit like I did in this first one. All right. So that's the AI Copy Lab this time around. Next time, we will explore all other lots of different ways to enhance your copywriting and make it human, which is the most important thing you can do. I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks.